on your mind!
Easy there. It'll all be over soon. Oh, shit! Oh! Oh, man.
Kenneth, you're the crown jewel of psychic assholes.
Quite an entrance.
That's right, it's me, a smaller Quato.
Who could have seen that coming?
I mean, he can talk. That's kind of surprising.
Yes.
Morty!
Damn, Morty, big air!
Hey, everyone, stop it!
Oh, shit! It has missiles!
You think this is a joke?
I see where this is going.
No, no, ow, no, ow, no, what, no, 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 ow, no!
Oh, yeah, this is great!